Hello, lovelies. How are you all doing? Untapped, but very lucrative businesses. You can start today and make lots of money. Of course, if you're ready to put it, let's go into today's business. It's cleaning and packaging of raw food stuff, right? With the way the economy is right now, a lot of persons don't have time to sit down or go to the market, buy beans and come back home and start picking those days out of beans. Or they don't have time to go to the market, buy crayfish, then come and be selecting, moving them. People don't have time. All right, people are juggling 2 jobs, 3 jobs. People are doing lots of work on how to get bigger pay. This is what I'm trying to talk about. Go get beans. It can be brown beans, it can be white beans, it can be any type of beans. Then take your time, select these beans, remove the dirt out of these beans, then sell just the clean beans alone. All right, a lot of persons, especially a lot of busy moms, will run after you, and bachelors. Okay, a lot of men like beans, right? They will run after you. You don't have the time to be selecting beans. So if you make their life easy, you can do that for rice. Okay, you can just get rice, pack it in smaller pack like this. I don't know if you can see, smaller pack like this, and sell. You can do that for crayfish. Okay, when you buy crayfish, you can agree with me that crayfish comes with lots of debts, right? Go buy the crayfish, right? Buy the crayfish, select it, repackage it in smaller packs. It may not be as big as this. You may make use of a smaller Ziploc bag or other fancy packaging materials you feel to use. Select it, make it clean. Make sure that as they are buying it, they're buying it clean. You don't have the time to go sit down and be selecting it. Or you can even make it a little bit further. For the crayfish, you can sell blended ones and unblended ones. You can do that for everything. You can do that for your isam. You can do that for, just think. You can also do that with snail. All right, you can go buy snail, clean it, make it fresh. Or you can also, if you have dehydrating machine or you have source of heat, you have these charcoal stove. You can get charcoal and dry it. Okay, you can buy this snail, you can season it if you want, or you can dry it raw like that. Then you package it and sell. Also fish, meats, you can do all of this and package and sell. I also do grocery shopping. So in case you want plantain, you need oil, palm oil, good palm oil, you need this, you need that, you can also offer those services. And of course, how to succeed in this business. Okay, if you're going into the grocery shopping, try to be conversant with village markets. Think, what can you do, what value can you add to this food stuff that will make life easier for busy moms, that will make life easier for bachelors, that will make life easier for students in the higher institution. And of course, when you package things like this, you've added value by removing the debt. So you're not going to pay you're not going to price them based on what they sold in the market. Okay, you're going to add your price. You went through stress, you bought packaging materials, you add all those costs together inside, then sell. A lot of persons will not mind as far as you've removed the stress off your shoulders. So that is one business idea. I think you should really thinking about this business too. But as an amazing person, I brought it up to you all. Okay, so if you feel you have the time to do this, why not go into this business? You can start this business with as low as 20,000 naira. All right, so you can start now. You can say, but I don't have capital. Yes, you can start this with no capital at all. All you have to do is make friends with people that sell food stuff. So when you have order, for example, you have order for beans, you just go get, okay, Amaka, please, I want a custard of beans. I'll give you the money later. Okay, it depends on relationship. You get it, you select it, you package it, you deliver it. Once they give you your money, you return the market share to her. Okay, you're going to make tons of money out of it. There is a big brand, I'm not mentioning its name, that does the same thing, that package beans, selected beans and all that. Key into it. I'm sure you're not going to regret it, but you're going to make tons and tons of money. Business videos on my channel, business can do with 5,000 naira, 10,000 naira, and so on and so forth. After watching this video, you can check out those videos. If today is the first time you're coming across this channel, thank you so much for stopping by. Please endeavor to hit the subscription button, turn on the notification bell to be the first to be notified each time we upload amazing video. Join this family. I bet you're not going to regret it. To my OGs, to my returning subscribers, you know I love and appreciate you all, right? Thank you for sticking with me. So 3 is packaging and selling of thrift for babies. Okay, thrift or cricket. Now you can start this business, okay, and I will advise you start selling thrift for babies. Why? Because as an adult I can stay 6 months, 7 months, 10 months, a year without getting a clothes for myself. But children, parents will always get clothes for their children. And you know the way the economy is very, very wonderful. Lots of persons don't have the money to afford day-to-day wear for their kids brand new. So that is where you come in as a smart business owner. If you have little capital, 20, 30, 50,000 naira, and you have good taste, okay, why don't you go into the markets? If you're in Port Harcourt, you can go to My One, you can go to Oil Mill, or you can go to Aba. Go early in the morning, go pick quality thrift clothes for kids, not any ones, good grades. Okay, get good grades of these of this product, bring it back to the house, wash them. You can use you look for a soap that has nice smell, wash them, after which dry them, iron them, then you package them and start selling. After ironing, some may even look like new ones. Then you start selling. Who are your target audience? Busy parents, mommy and daddies in your church, mommies and daddies in your mosques, your place of work, your neighbors are your target audience. Okay, are your target audience. This kind of business sells really, really fast. And of course, you need to be friendly with people. All right, so all you have to do is your time. Go out early in the morning, source for this material, clean them properly, iron them, package them, start posting, start telling people with words of mouth. You can open social media accounts to advertise. You can use your Instagram, you can use your Facebook, you can use your WhatsApp. Then you can use TikTok. You can start making videos, or you can get dolls, okay, baby dolls, wear them these clothes, make video and post. All right, when people come to buy, you can make videos. When you can just tell your client, can your child, or when your child wears this kind of clothes, can you snap them or make a short video and send to me? Okay, start posting those things. People will trust you. After school business, right? After school business. Now, like I said, there are a lot of busy parents, mom and dad, very busy. They go to work in the morning, come back in the evening, and they have kids. Now these kids, when they close from school, some of these parents don't have helps at home to help them with these kids, to go pick up these kids. Now this is where you come in as a smart business owner. If you have a good location, you have a house that is neat and spacious, or why not start after school? All right, basically what you're going to do is get these children after they are done with school, then you cater for them till their parent comes to pick them. It can be for an hour, it can be for 2 hours, it can be for 3 hours. Now what do you need to start up this business? Of course, your space, your house. Make sure that your house is clean, is disinfected, you have space in your house, and you are friendly, you can tolerate kids. Okay, you're friendly, get few toys, then voila, start making adverts, start marketing, drum it loud, people will come. Okay, and if you can even go a step further, if you have a school close to your vicinity, have a school close to your house that does not have after school in their school curriculum, why don't you reach out to the school or make partnership with them? Again, it depends on relationship. Okay, reach out to them, make sure that you're trustworthy before you go and do this kind of business. Make sure that you have a good profile, you have a good name, okay, that will speak for you. Why not go have a partnership with this school? Then when their parents come, when their busy parent comes to drop their kids, the owner of the school relates this to this parent, relates to this parent that sees so after school whatever is opened opposite us or adjacent us. So as a busy mom, if you feel that I don't have the time to come pick up with children as the close of school, should we transfer these children to this after school whatever after school center? Then you pay for it. Okay, like I said, it can be just 1 hour. All you have to do is take proper good of the children, get some toy, you can get television, put cartoon for them, voila. If you have more than children you can handle, you can employ the services of someone, maybe an elderly person, a responsible elderly person, that when your customers come, when your client come and see, okay, there's an elderly person, homely, that can take care of these our children, they can trust you more, and before you know, they can refer you to other of their busy friends who have kids that can bring their children to you. So if you have a home, you're friendly with children, and you have few, maybe 20,000 naira, 30,000 naira to get toys, and you think you have the good. If you watch to this point and you've not subscribed, sweetie, what do you want me to do for you? Should I fry egg for you? Just mention, if you want me to fry egg for you, I'll fry for you. Okay, please endeavor to hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, so you'll be the first to be notified each time we upload other amazing videos. All right, so for today we have come to the end of this video.